Hi everyone, are you facing Facebook something went wrong or stories could not load? Please try again. Error. Don't worry, this video will help you fix it fast. Okay, see this is the problem. How to fix it? First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Okay, go back and go to your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now search here Facebook. Now tap on the Facebook and force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, nearby device allow, notification allow notifications, phone allow, photos and videos allow. Okay, go back and go to Play Store and now search here Facebook and check update your Facebook. My Facebook already updated. Okay, go back and now restart your phone and reopen it again on your phone. Okay, go back and open your Facebook and now tap on the three dot line option and scroll down. Now click on the help and support and click on the report a problem. Scroll down, continue to report a problem. Scroll down. Now click on the include. Scroll down. Now click on the storage and now enter your problem here. Hello Facebook support, I am facing an issues where Facebook storage show something went wrong or storage could not load. Please try again. I have tried updating the app and checking my internet, but the issues is still here. Please help me fix this problem. Thank you. And now click on the send and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.